In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your Sony Bravia Android TV using both soft reset and factory reset methods. Without further ado, let's get started. Soft reset, no data loss. If your TV is slow or unresponsive, try a soft reset. Press and hold the power button on the remote for about 5 seconds until the TV restarts. Alternatively, unplug the TV from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This will refresh the system without erasing any data. Factory reset restores default settings. If a soft reset doesn't fix the issue, perform a factory reset. Press the home button on the remote. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset, and select Factory Data. Reset. Confirm the reset and wait for the TV to restart. This will erase all apps, settings, and accounts, restoring your TV to its original state. If you can't access the Settings menu, perform a forced factory reset by unplugging the TV, pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons on the TV, not the remote, then plugging it back in while holding the buttons for about 10 seconds. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.